If you want a fully funded scholarship to study in Azerbaijan, this video is for you. The Azerbaijan Government Scholarship 2026-2027 can cover tuition, international flights, a monthly stipend of 800 AZN, plus medical insurance, and even visa and registration costs. In this video, I'll explain the benefits, eligibility, required documents, and the full application process step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to Scholarship Raw. Today we're covering the Azerbaijan Government Scholarship 2026. This scholarship is offered through two major programs: the Educational Grant Program for citizens of OIC member countries and Indonesia. The Educational Grant Program for citizens of non-aligned movement member countries. Every year, 100 candidates are selected to study at leading universities in Azerbaijan across multiple levels like preparatory courses, undergraduate, master's, PhD, general medicine, and residency programs. Now, let's go through the scholarship summary. Level of study: undergraduate, master's, and PhD. Institutions. A list of participating universities is provided in the official sources, so when choosing your program, make sure your selected university is included. Study destination: Azerbaijan. Courses offered. The article includes a link to view the available courses, so before you apply, shortlist your preferred programs and confirm entry requirements. Program period: undergraduate, 4 to 5 years. Masters, 2 to 3 years. PhD, 4 years. Let's talk about the deadline. The application deadline for the Azerbaijan Government Scholarship 2026 is the 15th of April 2026. My advice: don't wait until the last week because you'll need documents like a medical certificate and language proof, and these can take time. Now the best part, the scholarship coverage. This scholarship provides tuition fees. Your tuition fees are covered, and it also includes language preparatory courses, depending on the language of instruction. International flights. You get an economy class flight ticket to Baku from your home country and a return ticket once a year. Monthly allowance. You receive 800 AZN per month, which the article notes is around $470. This is provided for 10 months each year, meaning July and August are not included. Medical insurance. There is a yearly allowance of 200 AZN for medical care and medication during your study period. Visa and registration costs. These costs are covered as well, which is a big advantage compared to many other scholarships. Now let's talk eligibility. Required study languages: English, Russian, or Turkish. Eligible countries. You must be a citizen of an eligible country list for OIC or non-aligned movement programs. Make sure to check your country in the official list. Age limits. For undergraduate and general medicine, you must be younger than 35. For master's and residency, you must be younger than 40. For doctoral programs, you must be younger than 45. If you meet the country requirement, language requirement, and age requirement, then you can prepare for the next step, the nomination and document submission process. Next is how to apply for the Azerbaijan Government Scholarship. Now pay attention because this scholarship has a very important rule. You cannot apply directly as an individual. Your application must be officially nominated and submitted through the relevant government authority in your country, such as ministries, embassies, or other official state entities. The article clearly warns, directly submitted applications will not be considered. So your goal is to prepare a complete file and submit it to the correct authority in your country. Now let's walk through the nomination form. This is the Haydar Aliyev International Education Grant Program nomination form for 2026-2027, and it says to fill it in capital letters. Section A. Personal details. You will fill in first name, surname, citizenship, passport number 1. Tip: your name spelling must match your passport exactly. Section B. Contact details. Next, you will enter mobile phone number with country code, active email address. Then, emergency contact details. Contact person in case of emergency program. their mobile phone number with country code, their active email address. Tip: use an email address you check daily because scholarship communication can be time-sensitive. Section C. Proposed study in Azerbaijan. Now, you select the level you want to apply for by ticking the box. Bachelor, General Medicine, Master, Medical Residency, Doctoral level. Then you fill in educational programs you want to apply for. Tip: write the program name clearly and if possible match how it appears in the official course list. Now let's the documents that need to be attached. The nomination form includes a note that the following documents must be attached. 1. Copy of valid passport. 2. Copy of diplomas and transcripts from prior high school or higher education. 3. Copy of medical certificate, including HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis B, C tests. Additional common requirements, including CV resume, motivation letter, language proficiency proof, language proficiency rules from your article. If you want to study in English, then undergraduate, IELTS 5 or TOEFL 40, postgraduate, IELTS 5.5 or TOEFL 50. Or your previous education language must be English. If you want to study in Russian or Turkish, provide proof of proficiency or show that your previous education was taught in that language. If you want to study in Azerbaijani, you still need proof of English, Russian, or Turkish, or that your previous education language was English, Russian, or Turkish. After you prepare the nomination form and all attachments, you submit them to the relevant authority in your country first. Then, the official authority submits your application to an embassy or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Azerbaijan, depending on the process in your country. Again, do not submit directly yourself. Direct submissions are not considered. To confirm the newest details eligible countries list, participating universities, and course list, always check the official website linked in the article. That's everything you need to know about the Azerbaijan Government Scholarship. Like, subscribe, and comment your country plus degree level so we can suggest the best scholarships for you.